Today I will show you how to make a snack for children with grated carrots, a few biscuits, pulp of dates, roughly chopped walnuts, sugar, butter, and desiccated coconut. What I've done is I have ground the biscuits to a fine powder. My pan is ready. The first thing I add are the carrots. The next thing I add is sugar. I will add only half of this as I will be adding the pulp, 2 teaspoons of dates pulp a bit later. Now I cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes till the carrots are soft. Now my carrots are soft. I will add 2 heaped teaspoons of the dates pulp and mix it and cook it for another 5 minutes. My carrots and the dates pulp is ready. Now I will let this cool for some time. My carrots have cooled down. I will transfer it to another tray. Now in the same pot, I will melt butter. Now my pot is ready. I will put butter and melt it. Melted butter in the carrots. I've mixed the butter. Now it's time for the biscuits to go in. And the walnuts. Now I will mix this very well to form a dough kind of texture. This is what it should look like. Now that this is ready, I will make small balls like this. My carrot balls are ready. This is what it looks like. Now all I need to do is roll it in desiccated coconut. Like this. My carrot snacks or carrot balls or carrot laddus are ready. The kids will love it and it's healthy. Enjoy.